Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials so you can act instantly. Sign into your Samsung account and Google account on a secondary device. Once done, open Samsung Find My Mobile and Google Find My Device. Make sure you have the phone's IMEI or serial written down because you'll need it when talking to your carrier or police. Also, enable remote controls and location access if not already on. This allows you to ping, lock, or locate the device immediately without delay. Now use the services to find and secure the device. Open Samsung Find My Mobile to view the last location, trigger a sound, and apply remote lock with a recovery message. Once done, check Google Find My Device for a corroborating location and battery status. If location is recent, do not confront a suspect. Instead, lock the phone and enable location history for updates. Make sure to avoid exposing personal data by setting a temporary lock. Finish by protecting your accounts and involving authorities. If recovery seems unlikely, trigger a remote backup, then execute a factory erase through Find My Mobile or Google. Once complete, remove the device from your accounts. Immediately report the IMEI and incident to your carrier so they can block service, and file a police report with location timestamps and screenshots. Finally, change passwords for Google, Samsung, banking, and any two-factor accounts, and monitor activity closely. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone shows offline, enable notifications and check last seen timestamps and Google Timeline for movement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.